Hey guys, how are you all doing? I hope you guys are doing great. Are you popping? Are you popping? Yes, you're popping. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for the love, for the comment. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel, my name is Chi, okay? I am the owner of this channel. I work alongside with my team to provide you guys beautiful hair and makeup transformation, okay? So today I'm going to be transforming myself. Before I proceed, I'm going to show you guys this. This is from Benefit Cosmetics. This is their brow oil. This is their brow serum, okay? I always use this before I go to bed. I use this serum on my brows, and then I use this oil as well on my brows, okay? They sent me this amazing product, which I've been using before bed, okay? It's going to help your brows grow, okay, and be healthy, okay? You also need your brows to grow, even though you're going to fill it with Benefit Brow Pencil as well, which I'm going to be using in this makeup transformation. So this is this one is Hubba brows, and this is wow, so soft, okay? You're going to buy this on benefitcosmetics.com on their website, okay? So I'm going to transform myself today. You guys, make sure you comment down below, okay? So I can film more beautiful videos for you guys. Encourage me, okay? Share with your family and friends, and always tell me I am popping, because we are popping. All we're going to do in this channel is to pop, okay? We're going to be popping no matter what, okay? Yes, so my slay is going to be quick. I will also be using one of my lip gloss, okay? These are my nude collection. This is going to be launching very soon. So this is my tester that I've been testing, okay? The actual one is going to have my name and everything, the packaging and everything. This one is just a tester, which I'm going to be using one of them today to slay my face, okay? You guys, show me some love, okay? Show me some love. Guys, I've got this mirror. I'm not going to be talking through this video, because when I talk through the video, it's always long, and you don't want to watch very long video, okay? So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to do my makeup while you watch me slay, okay? At the end of the video, I'm going to be back and talk to you guys, okay? So stay tuned and watch me slay. So guys, this is the final look. It's popping, it's giving. You guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your family and friends, okay? Let me know what you think about this look. I love it, and I know you're gonna love it too. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.